got a bunch of goodies in the shopping cart today. We got a new hoodie, which we always need on the channel. We got some wheel adapters / spacers for the project vehicle. And those beautiful American Forces over there, oh boy. And our box from our good buddies over at HSP. Not a sponsored video, but we're going to get into that. First, let me get my new hoodie out here and show you guys. Always got to have them hoodies rolling in. Been waiting for a minute for this one. Dang, that camo is crazy. And you already know that GFP, baby. We are repping. I don't even remember what it's got. Nothing on the back, just the GFP logo on the front. And dang, son, that's such a nice hoodie. We're gonna have to put that on for the video. I like that it's a little bit longer. It doesn't ride up. It's very, very comfortable, stretchy, got the nice tight fit, and just looks incredible. Thanks, Gabe, you the man. All right, carrying on our shopping journey here. Watch out, Walmart shoppers, hold on. This box cracks me up. Look, we got sent a wheel for a car that was supposed to be a steering wheel or something for the other project. This cracks me up. It's like, how do you mess that up? Anyways, that's got to go back for sure. That ain't right, boy. And now, these are the adapters we need for the Forces, because these things came off of like a Dodge or something and may or may not be going on something else. I just wanted to bring them over here so we could test fit them. Plus, these are, what, 24 by 12, so with a 2-inch spacer, they'll look like 14 wides on that sucker. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be epic. So we're gonna leave these here for Ove. But I guess we can try to fit up. Oh my gosh, they slide right into place. That is sick. All right, now that we got that, we can get into the meat and potatoes of this video, as Greg A would say. We are going to do a quick little video with this HSP part we got. Not a sponsored video, but we have rocked with these guys from the very beginning of the channel. They love the cold air intake I did on the LML, and then they sent us traction bars and a hot side turbo pipe. So we did videos on both of them. So this is kind of, we're acting our wage here in this video. We don't make a ton of money on YouTube, but I did want to pay it forward, buy something from our sponsor, and go ahead and buy Ovi a shirt, because he's been absolutely nothing but amazing, letting us use the shop and do all the cool videos that you guys get to see. So big shout out to Ovi. If you guys know any good single ladies, send them his way on the Snapchat. He needs a good girl in his life. Good ones only, please. But anyways, all jokes aside, let's open up this HSP box and see what we got today. All right, as we look here inside the box, let's see what we got. Get some of that cardboard out of there, boy. Oh my gosh, I can see HSP through that sucker. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be epic. We're gonna get to that. What is this? Velcro adhesive strips. Probably an easy install, thank God for that. And nice hoodie for Ovi, because you know we got to pay it forward. Look at that sucker. It is a bad butt blue. Man, that is sick. Let's open that up and set it aside for him. Dang, son, look at that. That looks so sick. I love the blue, white, and black look on this baby. Boy, that is a good looking hoodie. And then the classic HSP on the front. Oh my gosh, I already got dirt on it. I am sorry, bud. You're going to have to wash it, but the Forces, they do things. And now it's like Christmas morning, guys. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but how exciting is it to get that feeling of fresh powder-coated parts? You just can't beat them. And look at the blue. Oh my gosh. This is nothing more than a fuse box cover, but again, wanted to use the YouTube money to pay it forward here, and this is what's in our budget. Act your wage, what you know about it. And oh my gosh, the quality of paint on that sucker. Boy, that's gonna look so good. I think all we got to do is pop the hood. We're gonna have to go outside. Although, Ovi, thank you, buddy, for the beautiful heated shot, but we're gonna have to get outside because the Razor's in the way, the Forces are in the way, and it's really not too bad. It's about 30 out this morning, but we'll go ahead and pop the hood and add this sucker to the HSP LML collection. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's starting to get a little light out here. We got the LML out here. We got the Ski-Doo. We got the gooseneck. Let's go ahead and pop the hood over here. All right, and as you guys can see, oh, here's the new one. Look at that booger. It is going to match so good. We got the cold air intake in there and the hot side turbo pipe, and now we're going to be able to upgrade this terrible looking fuse box cover, because what's going to protect your fuses better than this HSP? I don't think much is, so let's go ahead and pop that old one off and try to get this sucker put down on it. So actually, at second glance, if I were to just slide this over carefully, come on, baby, get on there. How'd you get on that? There you go. So if I just slide it on top of there, it looks like it actually goes over top of the handles and everything. So again, we'll be able to just Velcro it over top. That way you just pop this off and then remove the fuse box cover. And look, I still got the switch from the Boost Auto. I wonder if it works. Oh my gosh, it does. Look at that. That's what that switch is, if y'all are wondering. All right, so my ears are freezing off outside. We're just gonna flip this sucker over and probably just align these things. Probably a couple like that, and then stick these down and then just press it down on that cover. I'm not reading any instructions. I would if it was something more mechanical. This is merely cosmetic, so we're just rolling with it. You guys like me at all, just go ahead and get that sucker cleaned up and on there. But what a setup we got, right? Let's get to work. All right, so I got these tacked down lightly. I'm gonna run them this way, parallel to the logo here, just so it doesn't have to go up and over that hump. You guys can tell me in the comments if I'm wrong, and then we will line it up, make sure it's gonna work, peel these off, give it a good smush, and see how it looks. And voila, that's all it took. A couple pushes down on there, and there she went. I ended up moving the adhesive strips to the angle on this side and this side because there was not enough clearance in the middle where I had them, so I put them on here, and that sucker is locked and loaded down in there. And look at how nice it looks. Never mind my wiring for the running boards, but man, that sucker is so clean. I know, not super exciting, but what a way to dress up your engine bay. So now we got the cold air intake, hot side turbo pipe, fuse box cover, and the track bars wherever they're at. There they are, track bars. Boy, this is turning out to look so sick, guys. Thanks for watching, by the way. I know, not super crazy stuff today, but boy, do we love dressing these trucks up. So again, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support and allowing us to do this. As we continue to push and grow the channel, we absolutely will be investing in more stuff for the channel, showing it off with you guys, not just trying to take your money and run. We want to bring the best content possible within our scope, obviously, and your love and support means everything to us. I was talking to HSP back and forth about what's next and the project that Ovi's been working on behind the scenes, and we are going to do something super, super epic for that. So this video is kind of intended to warm you up. If you have not heard of HSP before, make sure you get on the website. Tons and tons of big names represent their product. And like I said, these guys have been genuine, awesome people from the jump. I would not just post garbage on the channel for no reason at all. So with that being said, you guys have a blessed weekend. God bless you all, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.